Did you know about the full buck moon? If not, you're in for a celestial treat. This particular full moon, lighting up the night sky, carries with it a rich history and significance that's worth exploring. The full buck moon is July's full moon, named so because this is the time when male deer or bucks begin to grow new antlers. This lunar event is a nod to the rhythms of nature, marking the cycle of renewal and growth. Native American tribes named this moon to keep track of the seasons, with each full moon serving as a calendar marker. This lunar phenomenon occurs when the moon is on the opposite side of the Earth from the sun, fully illuminating the moon's near side. With its yellowish glow due to the Earth's atmosphere, the full buck moon is a sight to behold. But the full buck moon is not just a visual spectacle. Astrologically, it carries significance too. When the buck moon is in Capricorn and Cancer, it signifies a time for building legacies and balancing private and public life. It's a time to harness the energy of the full moon, invoking nature and earth elements in rituals to manifest dreams. The lunar cycle, lasting 29.5 days, brings us a new full moon each month. Following the full buck moon, the next one to grace our skies in 2024 will be the sturgeon moon on August 19th. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the full buck moon. Remember its significance and the cycle of renewal it represents. And if you're keen on capturing this celestial spectacle, remember to use a steady camera, low ISO, wide aperture, and low shutter speed for the best detail. In sum, the full buck moon is a reminder of the natural rhythms of life, a celestial spectacle, and an astrological event with its own unique significance. It's a moment of beauty, reflection, and connection with the natural world. So don't miss the chance to witness this lunar marvel when it next illuminates the night sky. But appreciating the full buck moon doesn't have to stop at just observing. Why not take it a step further and capture its beauty in your own unique way? This is where the full buck moon photography challenge comes in. We challenge you, our viewers, to capture the mesmerizing full buck moon in your own creative shots. Whether you're an amateur or a professional with a DSLR or a smartphone, everyone can participate. Think about the composition, play with the light, or use the lunar landscape as a backdrop for a stunning portrait. The aim is to capture not just an image, but the emotion and significance that the full buck moon holds for you. And remember, photography is not only about the technical aspects, it's about storytelling. So let your full buck moon photo tell a story. Share your photos on your social media platforms with the hashtag #FullBuckMoonChallenge. We'll be featuring the most creative and inspiring shots in our next video. So get ready, set your cameras, and let's see the full buck moon through your lens. Remember, it's not just about winning. It's about participating, learning, and most importantly, appreciating the celestial beauty that the full buck moon offers. Happy clicking!